And with that said, we just had a day trade come in on the day trading filter. That's pretty funny, isn't it? So we're going in with these PLTR calls, guys. Get these pulled up. We just left. I'm leaving you guys on a massive cliffhanger. Holy shit. So let's pull up these PLTR calls expiring February 7th. These are the 110 calls. Okay. 110 calls. And we're going to go in here. Looks like they're going for about $248 a contract. I'm going to go in with about 60 contracts, okay? Okay, I got that fill. So let me write this call out. Give me a minute. Long, PLTR. Again, these were the 2/7/25. Okay. 2/7/25. Today is the 4th. $9.40 is when these came through. Okay, this is going to be a quick one. So look at, we got our stop right here. I'll go ahead and I'll post this. I will not have time to type this up because you can see how we're already at our stop. Okay. Really, really quick trade. I'm down about 8%. So I'm going to send this if you need these contracts, but this might just be one for you guys to watch. So we'll see where this where this minute wick closes. But the algo set a really, really tight stop here. So this might just be a quick loser. We'll see what happens with this next minute candle. So interesting. PLTR is up 23%. Down about 10% on these contracts. Again, these are PLTR calls, 110 strike, 2/7/25 expiration. And just because we're already trading essentially on our stop, you could see how stop was sitting about 1% below when the software order came through. I will not have time to type this up and post it in the callouts. So I'm assuming PLTR reported earnings. No, they're just up. No earnings reports. That's very interesting. So about break even on these contracts. And again, don't worry if you're not able to get in this one. So my fill was at, again, this will happen like 2% of the time. I got filled at 234 a contract, 60 contracts. Okay. Crazy. PLTR is up 25%. All right, we're pushing here. $3.2 million behind this order. Buyer paid $3.2 million for these contracts. It's definitely going to be an interesting one. I'll pull up my P&L here on the bottom so you guys can see what's going on. So I'm up about 15% so far on these. There you go. You guys can see that. Definitely getting a nice push here. Can you guys see my screen? You should be able to see both. And again, focusing on 100 trades at a time, okay? Don't want to put any significance or emphasis on this one trade. If it plays out, if we hit TP, great. If we hit stop, that's also fine. But so far, we're seeing a pretty nice move up about 3,000. We still have about 1% to go. About 1% still to move to TP. Who's in with this? Who's in on this with me? God, I need to have some more caffeine. Did anyone get a fill? Anyone in? PLTR is up 26% on the day. That is crazy. Contracts are up 13%. I actually didn't get a great fill. Obviously, license holders, software license holders got that notification right off the bot when it came through. My fill was not great. 2.15. Dang, dude. I got 2.34. Why'd I get such a shit fill? It's whatever. It's all good. 2.38. Strike price wouldn't show up. You guys all got better fills than me. I'm in the 110 calls. I'm not sure why it wouldn't show up. I'm getting close. I'm getting really close. I went in limit. Again, don't sweat the entry. Like, seriously. At the end of the day, your equity curve will smooth out over time. Just worrying about the entry is just it's not even worth it. Just get in where you get in. That's 205. It's a great fill. I'm just curious, right? That's why I'm asking. Don't want to put too much emphasis on it. Wow. We're almost at TP, up 3.6K, 25%. I'm so not enthusiastic today. Got to bring in the energy, guys. Most people would be like, holy shit, you just made 4K in 2 minutes. No, guys, not until we sell. We're getting really close, though. Up 30%, 4.1K. Let's see if we can get TP. Wow, PLTR is up 27.42%, guys. We are about to hit TP. Crazy, crazy. Where would this limit order fall? That's pretty high. Guys, be patient. We're almost there. We just need one more little push. Come on. Get it. Get there. Get there. All right, we're getting out of this one. Easy 4.8K. I don't know. I just like, it's pretty cool that you guys got to see that whole trade. Congrats. Let's lock that profit in, guys. That was a solid trade. We just smashed TP. Amazing freaking trade. We are out. Let's go. All right. Who got in on that one? Let me know in the chat. Amazing trade. All right, let's go. 2.5K. Amazing, amazing trade. Nice job, guys. Nice job. Ready? I'm going to film for the Instagram, and you guys got to comment. Comment W, okay? So comment W if you got in on this trade and you made money. Or if you saw that. We just took this trade live, 4.8K on the day in about 5 minutes. Okay, who got in on that trade? W's if you got in. W's if you saw that. Look at, we hit TP entry. We held above our stop here. And then we just locked in that profit. So over 30% profit, guys. That was awesome. Woo! The software does not lie, guys. That is crazy. There's the energy. That's good. Amazing morning. It's 9:53. Time to call it a day. Yeah, not bad for 5 minutes, right? I gotta plug it. If you guys are interested in the software, we did just open the waitlist back up. I will put the software waitlist in the software waitlist channel, and I'll drop it in this chat if you guys are interested. So right now the interviews are booking out into just about March for licenses. So congrats, guys. Thank you to the software, seriously. And thank you to the algorithm, because if I didn't have this algorithm, I would have not known how to manage this trade. I would have probably panic sold here. I would have had no idea to sell and have my limit order sitting right at 106. Look at how that worked out for us. Look at, we're already pulling back. The fact that we just also caught a good 2.5% is insane. That's insane, right? Like 5 minutes, 2.5. The chart just moved 2.5%. 4.8K. You guys could see that right there. You should have seen that entire trade, especially because I have both my screens pulled up here.